Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, we will be changing my bathroom vanity top. I do have a vessel sink. About 4 years ago, we decided to just redo the bathroom. I'm going to insert some pictures of how the bathroom used to look like. These are pictures from when we came to view the house and some during the remodel process. The bathroom has been one of the ones that has had the most changes. On here, we did decide to put a wood top, which was a big mistake. It did get a lot of water. Even after we waterproofed it, the water still rose up the wood. We do have a vessel sink. I love how vessel sinks look. We're going to be keeping the vessel sink, but we're going to be adding quartz. Since the quartz is a little bit on the heavier side, we will be adding some support. I'm going to be using 2x4s. I measured my cabinet and it's 24 inches tall, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the adjustments for the 2x4. So in total, I'm going to be cutting 3 pieces of wood just to add the support. The weather was not very kind today, actually snowing. That made it kind of harder for me to record the rest of the process since we did have to cut the quartz out here while it was snowing. It's not a fun experience, but we got it done. I did buy a new faucet as well. I love this new faucet. It does have like a little opening so you can see the water flowing out. We also changed the drain stopper. This is how it's looking. I like how it looks so far. It's all shiny and pretty. This project ended up being about less than $200. I did buy the quartz from the restore. I believe it was $15 per square foot. after making changes, of course, I had to do a deep clean in the bathroom, so I'm just going to be cleaning the bathroom. We do have shower glass doors. They are pretty crazy to clean and keep up. I've tried different products, but I have found that the Scrub Daddy paste is the best to clean them, especially when it gets a lot of hard water stains built. So I do try to clean it on a weekly basis, but sometimes it does go a little bit on the crazy side. So using the paste is really good. I am going to go over at least 2 times or 3, just depending on how picky I am during that day. I like the shower doors to be like a reflection that when you're looking into them, they look more like mirrors than actual doors. I do kind of tend to overdo on the doors. But they look so nice once they're all clean. For the shower, I just like to use some of the scrubbing foam and Dawn soap. Those are mostly the 2 cleaning supplies I do use. I try not to use Clorox that much. I just feel like the smell of it is so strong for me, so I try not to use that one. Or I use the Myers all-purpose cleaner. Those are my favorite ones to use. after cleaning, I'm just going to be decorating for Christmas. I'm just going to be adding some little things I've got from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and at home. And then some of these ones. Here I got this little Christmas tree at Target. I got it during their 50% off Christmas tree decorations. So this one came out to $5. It's normally $10. Super cute. I did want to add some lights to it, but I do want to keep the bathroom a little bit more neutral, more simplified for Christmas, since everywhere else there's a lot of Christmas trees. So I kind of wanted to keep this more on the simpler side, since very high trafficking area. I need to clean this up more regularly than everything else. Putting this glass vase with some pampas grass I got at Hobby Lobby. And then this is our main bathroom, so we do have our toothbrushes and lotions and everything we need on here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them. I like everything to be in different containers than the original container. Kind of hard to keep up with refilling those. I think I've seen refillable shampoo bags, but I'm gonna be searching more on that. I used to coupon a lot, so I still actually have a good stockpile, so I'm trying to get through all that before I buy new products. Then on the top side, I'm just gonna be putting 2 frames. Adding a long frame will just extend the eye towards the ceiling, which will create an effect of higher ceilings. Next to it, I'm gonna be putting this frame I got from at home. That's how I'm going to be decorating the shelves. For the top of the toilet and the window sill, I'm not going to be putting anything there. I like having them very open, very clean, nothing on top. So I'm just going to be leaving those like that. and this is how I decorated the bathroom for Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.